So when you do a torpedo drill, you send the torpedo guy down and he takes the primers out of the torpedoes in the torpedo tube so that when you fire the torpedo for the drill, it doesn't actually launch the torpedo. So the chief torpedo officer goes down, takes all the primers out of the torpedoes, gives a thumbs up that they're good to proceed with the exercise. The commander of the Willie D then picks a target. Now, bear in mind, he's trying to improve his men's confidence and morale. And what are you gonna do if you want them to score a hit? You're going to aim for the biggest target, right? Give them the biggest opportunity to succeed that you can give them. So they aim at the USS Iowa, you know, the ship with the president on it. So the crew takes aim with the torpedo tubes. Commander gives the order, fire torpedo number 1. Click! Torpedo stays in the tube. Nothing happens.